In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Chrome browser on your laptop or PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, before I get into it, this works exactly the same on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm just going to open up Microsoft Edge, which is usually the default browser that comes with anything you buy, like a PC or a laptop. And then from here, I just want to go over and type in Google Chrome. When you type it in, all you want to do from here is scroll down. Then you're going to see Google Chrome official site. You want to make sure it's the official site. Go ahead and click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to look something like this. You don't have to check this, so I normally uncheck it. And then all I have to do is press download Chrome. It says for Windows 11 and 10, 64-bit. Go ahead and download Chrome. It's just downloading the setup. All you got to do is open up the setup.exe. It's going to do a permission thing, and then it's going to be downloading for you. Once it's downloaded, it's going to look something like this. It might prompt you to, log into a Google account, but you don't have to do that. But I already did. And then from here, you can literally use Chrome as much as you want. You can go around in settings and do things in there. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.